Improve your math, mental quickness, and smartness. Answer these mind-twisting exercises. What two numbers are we? Our sum is 10, our difference is 2. Our answer is 6 and 4. What two numbers are we? Our product is 24, our difference is 2. Our answer is 6 and 4. What two numbers are we? Our product is 42, our difference is 1. Our answer is 7 and 6. What two numbers are we? Our sum is 28, our quotient is 3. Our answer is 21 and 7. What two numbers are we? Our product is 32, our quotient is 2. Our answer is 8 and 4. What two numbers are we? Our sum is 21, our quotient is 6. Our answer is 18 and 3. What two numbers are we? Our product is 48, our quotient is 3. Our answer is 12 and 4. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.